I'm up here in Stony Fort. I got a welding lesson in a few minutes with Scott. You'll meet him. I'm gonna go out here in my metal area and find some stuff for him to practice on, and it's gonna be interesting to see what he makes.
I'm here. I work at the Forest Service Station down the road. Don and I met a few months back, and once I found out about his profession, that I was stoked to learn a little bit, and what an awesome resource to have down the road. So looking forward to it.
Scott's getting ready to do his first weld.
Here we go.
So settling how much?
3/4 to 1 max.
All right.
All right, so we did the stick welding, the MIG welding, the settling torch, the plasma cutter. Now it's project time. So we're gonna do a flower, and got my supplies, a base, stem, some petals that we're gonna cut out. And then right now I'm going to heat this and get a bend in it so I can mount my center flower. And then I need to cut off the tip of this guy here to cover the hole in my center. So ready to do it. All right, so now I'm tracing out the petals for my flower. I made a little template to get some rough similarities, but not too particular with how they come out. So if we get a little variance, that's all right with me. But yeah, just one of the steps. Just trying to figure out my next move here. We got the flower started, got the petals cut out, attached to the center. Got our center hole covered here. A little bit of more live bend, trying to make it a little bit more realistic. And yeah, just trying to figure these guys out, so going well. All right, so we finished the flower up, got it all put together, hit it with the wire wheel. Not too particular on that, everything's gonna blend together with this clear coat. Now we're moving on to the polyurethane clear coat, and yeah, looking forward to seeing what it looks like finished. Now we're adding a little bit of color with some Pearl X pigments. Went with a reddish style. And just trying to give a little variation, a little color pop on the leaves. One thing Don mentioned is that when you get in here, the pigment will pool up down in the areas that it's kind of rolling towards. So just be a heads up and kind of go back and make sure that you're getting all those streaks out. All right, so just finished the flower project, my first sculpture project with metal. And yeah, I just kind of came into this hoping to expand my tool belt, learn a little bit about welding and the different forms that are out there. I was pretty stoked to get an opportunity to try the stick welding, the MIG welding, the plasma cutting, and the acetylene torch. So very grateful for that. And yeah, just pretty stoked on how it turned out. Got some color in there, kind of covered a few different aspects of the sculpture process. And yeah, I had a great time here at Dawn, and looking forward to some more stuff. See you guys later.